the bell. The bell is associated with the follow button. So you go to a LinkedIn member, somebody who you want to pay attention to, you want to do social listening for, and you first have to follow them. When you follow them, the bell pops up here. And by default, you're not getting notified of all of Teddy's posts. When you click on the bell, you fill it in, white on black or gray on white, and down at the bottom it says you'll be notified about all new posts from Teddy. If you no longer want to get notified, you click on it again, it's grayed out. It says you will only be notified about his top post. But you want to use the bell, turn it on for LinkedIn members who are important to you. LinkedIn members who have great content that you never want to miss, or LinkedIn members who are important to your business journey or your career journey, so that you get a notification every time they post something. The bell, use it.